Go to Windows search bar and search for Windows features on and off. Then click Open and wait it to load for a moment. Then scroll down to Windows Sandbox and select it. Wait for it to load. It can take 1 to 5 minutes or more, depending on your computer's performance. When it's done loading, restart your computer. Go to Windows search bar and search for Windows Sandbox and click on Open. Wait for a while as Windows Sandbox is opening. It will take a little bit of time. Now you're on the lightweight VM environment in your PC, and you can interact freely with it. Windows Sandbox provides a secure and convenient way to experiment without the fear of damaging your main operating system. As you can see in Windows Sandbox, you can do all the activities you can as in your PC, and also have a specified amount of storage you can store things while experimenting. But you should know that when you exit Sandbox, all your previous activities will be deleted, so you should keep it running and close it once you're done with it. You can also browse the web in Sandbox. Go to your Windows search bar and type Windows features on and off and click Open. Wait for it to load. Once it has finished loading, go to Windows Sandbox and untick it and press OK. Wait for it to load. By doing that, the Windows Sandbox feature would be turned off.